Jai Ma, welcome to Swamiji's kitchen. I hope all of you are well, please keep well. And today, on the request of a subscriber, I am making the mango shake. He wants to see the mango shake. How does one make that? There are a lot of variations in this also. कई लोग दूध से बनाते हैं. I'm making it with ice cream, vanilla ice cream. So you can make it any which way. And let's begin. Benefits of mango. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, which is important for forming blood vessels and healthy collagen, as well as helping you heal. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene, a pigment responsible for the yellow-orange color of the fruit. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant, just one of many found in mangoes. So the benefits are there. अब पहले क्या करेंगे? मैंगो डालेंगे. उसको टुकड़े करके रखा है. 1 चम्मच. डालिए. पीछे के रख कोई बात. उसके बाद वी नीड आइसक्रीम. नाउ वी हैव टू ऐड आइसक्रीम. जितना मैंगो है उतना ही आइसक्रीम. 1 कप. आई होप कि वो चर्न हो जाए. Then we add ice cubes. Let's see, इतना चल करके देखते हैं. और शुगर फ्री डालूंगी मैं. You can add normal sugar if you want to, but I will add sugar free. मुझे लगता है थोड़ा पानी डालना पड़ेगा. देखते हैं. पानी देखो. You have to keep shaking it. Again shake. Now I will add the sugar. काफी गाढ़ा है, so I'll have to add water. Sugar as much as you need. Wow, look at this. काफी गाढ़ा है, but it's nice. The shake is nice. So now we transfer it in the glass. Transfer. See the shake. Wow. You know, I had to pour in half a cup of water. So you do that. Chilled water, huh? To make the shake. And once this is done, then what I have done is I've shaved a lot of badam, kaju and pista. So you take that and just sprinkle on top for decoration. And your shake is ready. See? Lovely mango shake. So I hope you have seen my subscriber. I'm talking to you, the one who has requested. It's quite easy to make it. I've taken ice cream, but you can take milk also, but chilled. And it's very tasty, so try it and let me know that you made it or not, you know. So please comment, share, subscribe. Okay, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Jai Ma.